Okay, so hey everyone, this side Chris, come back with another new video. Now today in this video I'm going to show you how we can install custom ROM in your any Xiaomi phone. Xiaomi phone include here Xiaomi phone, Redmi phone, Poco phone and Mi series phone. If you want to install any custom ROM like Evolution X, so TWRP or any other custom ROM, then how we can install it. Before you can notice here, I have my device currently running on HyperOS 2 and Android version is 14 and it's official build of HyperOS. So if you want to install, then you have to tap 7 times on OS version or MIUI version or build number. After that, developer option enable on your phone here. Then you have to tap on additional settings. So you have to find out additional settings in settings here. So here is additional settings. After that, you have to find here developer option. So in developer option, you have to find one more feature. Its name is Mi Unlock Status. So if your bootloader is locked like this, then you have to watch another video for unlocking bootloader. First you have to unlock bootloader, then after that you can install any custom recovery, custom ROM or routing. All this type of process apply after unlocking a bootloader. So I will provide video link in description. You can watch and unlock bootloader. After that, you have to take a proper backup of your phone and make sure your phone is minimally charged 40% or 50% here. In some case, device is totally discharged and flashing become incorrect like this. So you have to power off your phone. And after that, you have to boot your device in fast boot mode. For fast boot mode, you have to press and hold your power plus volume down button for 5 to 10 seconds. You can notice here my device successfully booted in fast boot mode. After that, you require a Windows PC or Windows laptop here. So I having Windows PC and it currently running on Windows 11. So if you're having Windows laptop, then also you can do by the help of Windows laptop. You have to download or install Telegram in your Windows PC or laptop, and you have to search your device name. So for example, I having Xiaomi Pad 6 Gen. I am going to search here Xiaomi Pad 6. You can notice here lots of group appear here. So you have to select any one of these according to your device name, and you have to find here a software file. So you can notice here already pin here software. So it's a Lineage OS, Project Infinity and Voltage or Voltage OS, like this type of different software available on this group. So you have to first select your software. So I'm going to install here TWRP version 16.2. It's an official build of TWRP, and also you can read your flashing guide before you begin. First of all, you have to unlock your bootloader first, and after that you have to take a proper backup, because after installing of software your data will complete formatted here. By recovery, you have to download all these file here provided by developers or maintainer. And also you can read here everything here. So also here available commands how we can flash custom recovery or boot image, DTBO image, super image, and how we can flash custom ROM. Everything available on flashing guide here. First you have to read everything. After that you can proceed the flashing. Then you have to download all required file here. So I am already download all these ROM file on my Windows PC here, like software custom operating system file and DTBO file, image file or vendor boot. Every file I have downloaded. After that, you have to download a platform tool. I will provide download link in description. You can directly download and extract in your window. After that, this type of folder appear here. So you have to copy this platform tool. Okay. After that, select here this PC, select here local disk, C drive, and paste here. So you have to download platform tool, extract it, and after that you have to copy platform tool and paste in local disk C drive. After that you have to open here platform tool from this PC local disk C drive and tap here. Okay, you have to tap here, and you have to put here CMD. CMD means command prompt. After that, hit enter. This type of command prompt appear here. Before, make sure your device in fast boot mode and connected with your Windows PC or Windows laptop here. So after that, you have to flash all these file here, like boot image, vendor boot image, a command already provided by developer here. So by the help of the all those command, I am going to flash here custom ROM in my phone here. Tab here. So you can notice here everything. So first command is fast boot flash boot. So I'm going to copy this command, fast boot flash boot, and first I'm going to set up everything in multiple window, so I can easily access everything in from single screen here. So I'm going to set up. So wait here. Okay, wait. Okay, everything is done. After that, you have to command first. You have to copy first command from website here. So fastboot flash boot. So we have to press your right click, and after that take a put a space. After that, you have to drag and drop boot image file. That hit enter here, and after that you have to run another command. It's a fastboot space flash space DTBO. So after that, you have to flash your DTBO.image. So copy this command and paste in terminal here. Take a space. After that, drag and drop your DTBO image. After that, hit enter here. Then after that, you have to flash your fastboot space vendor underscore boot. After that, copy all this command, paste in here, paste here. Take a space. After that, drag and drop vendor boot image. After that, hit enter. Then after that, you have to flash another command, fastboot space wipe super. After that, drag and drop super empty. Okay, by mistake I select everything. So wait here, select only super underscore empty dot image. Hit enter here. In my case, this type of error appear here. Then I am going to try it again. Okay, same error appear here. You can leave this command here. And after that, you have to copy here fastboot space reboot space recovery. After running this command, your device will automatically boot in recovery mode. After that, you have to wipe your all data here. So you can notice here this type of recovery appear here. So you have to select here factory reset, format data, or format data you have to select. And in some case touch not working, then you can control by the help of volume up and down. And if you want to select, then you have to press your power button. So after that, you have to select here apply update ADB side load, like this type of. Okay, you can notice that this type of page appear. Then you have to run another command for flashing software from your Windows PC here. So you have to put another command in your Windows PC. Make sure your device connected with your Windows PC or Windows laptop here. So you have to put here command ADB space side load space, and after that, you have to drag and drop here software file here. So you can notice that this software file I have already downloaded from a Telegram here. So after that, drag and drop, then hit enter here. Then you can notice that flashing is a start right now, and it will take around 5 to 6 minutes. It depends upon your mobile phone speed. So it depends upon your file size speed. So you have to wait for complete flashing here. I am going to put this video in 24x, so you can save your time here. During flashing, don't try to disconnect your phone. You can notice here successfully software is flashed on my device here. After that, this type of interface appear on your Android phone or Android tab. So simply you have to press your power button one time or click on reboot system. After that, your device will automatic boot in system here, and it will take around maximum 1 to 2 minutes in some case. So wait for booting your device. After that, you have to quick set up your device, like this type of interface appear here. So you have to select your region here. After that, it will ask for a language here. So you want to select any one of language, then you can select here. If you want to take a backup from another phone, then you can do also ask for a setup pin. Then also if you want to set up a pin, then also you can do here. So basically you have to quick set up your device after installing of software. So you can notice here I have successfully done everything on my Xiaomi Pad 6 here, and it currently running on Android version 16, or before my device running on Android version 14. So I upgraded Android 14 to 16 here, and also I installed here TWRP operating system on my Xiaomi Pad 6. It's too much lightweighted as compared to Hyper operating system. So I'm going to show you. So you can notice here Hyper OS 3, I mean TWRP OS or Android version is 16 here. So if you want to install this software in your phone, then you can proceed this video. That's all about today's video. If you got video helpful, then like this video and subscribe this channel. We will meet soon in another video.